Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys password security setting. And today video title is guys how to delete fingerprint lock. Friends, you don't want to use fingerprint on your lock screen, you want to remove fingerprint, you want to delete your fingerprint lock. And how to delete fingerprint lock one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Let's open your phone setting. After on phone setting, as you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. Friends, in your Redmi mobile, open your phone security setting, password security setting. After on password security setting, friends, you can check lock screen password. You can use fingerprint lock, you can use face lock. And friends, if you click here, you want to change your lock screen password. So friends, you can change lock screen password from here. And friends, if you remove lock screen password, so fingerprint lock will delete and face lock will delete automatic in your Redmi mobile. So friends, click here fingerprint lock, enter your fingerprint lock password. Next, friends, you want to add fingerprint, so friends click here, you can add more fingerprint in your Redmi mobile. Enter fingerprint lock password, and friends scan fingerprint, you can add fingerprint lock. And you don't want to add, so exit. And friends, you want to use fingerprint on your app lock setting, so friends on. After on guys, you have logged any app, so guys you can unlock app with your fingerprint. And you want to use fingerprint lock on privacy password, you can on. And friends, if you lock screen, so you cannot use fingerprint on lock screen. And you want to delete your fingerprint, so when select your fingerprint, remove one fingerprint lock, delete. Second, you don't want to use fingerprint lock, remove second fingerprint lock, delete. After it, friends, you cannot use fingerprint lock setting is off. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.